Welcome again to another trading session with me at marketpotentials.com. Now, if you're looking to join us on our 10-day challenge that you saw, when you clicked on this video, we have just embarked on videos over 10 days in which I've started day one. Day one was yesterday, making $100 in profit. All right, so today is day number 2, and our goal, as you guessed it, is to make $200 in profit, and the goal is to reach day 10 hitting $1,000 in profit. So if you're new to this channel, I would very much appreciate if you could smash that subscribe button so you can continue receiving videos like this, and that allows you to literally learn how you too could trade from home, from your computer or your mobile easily. And in fact, you can do that for free starting today by just clicking on the link below. Now, let's jump right into it. As I said, the goal is to make $200 in profit. I am looking at a couple of pairs, a forex pair, but this probably is a good idea to go in with. So we are looking at, let's make it 300. All right, so since we are aiming to make $200 in profit, an investment of $300 here gives me a return of 72% or $216. So I'm just gonna hit there and take on the trade, guys, because I do kind of need to multitask. So I clicked higher is what I did earlier, if you saw that. I've put $300. The currency I'm trading is the Euro and the USD pair. This is the Forex pair, and I'm taking a binary option trade. Now, the white line that you see here, that was a purchase deadline, so you kind of need to make a decision before that. And the red line is the expiration line. Now, I've got another 2 seconds, and as long as it stays here, I'm in the money. That's it. There you literally saw how I made $200 in profit, just as I promised you at the beginning of the video, in less than, 2 minutes? So this is literally what binary option trading does, okay? But it doesn't take, it's not going to make you successful overnight. I obviously took, some time to get to where I am, but it is entirely doable. Again, the platform I use is IQ Option to, that allows me to trade with ease like this, and you can get access to the same platform for free with a demo account, clicking the link below. If you do want to get into real trading, then the minimum deposit is just $10, guys, 10 US dollars, and yeah, you can literally start making trades like this. So just imagine starting with $10, putting in $100, $1,000 eventually, and imagine the kind of returns that you can make, like 72%. What in the world pays you that kind of money today, right? So let's do a quick analysis of the trade, guys. Right, so I came into the trade right here, as you saw. Like I said, the white line is the purchase deadline. So purchase deadline meaning you got to make a decision either the chart is going to go upwards or downwards, and select the button. So the only decision I made was 2 decisions in this trade. Okay, number 1, I decided on the amount to put in to invest on this trade. Number 2, I had to select, was it going to go higher or lower, and that was it. I did not have to make any other decision to make this trade, as you saw. Like this is a live trade, guys. Again, this is a live trading account on my computer, and I'm just doing a screen recording of it as it happens. So yeah, like I said, 2 decisions: the amount of money you want to put in and the direction of trade. That's it. Now that is the basic of getting your binary option trade right. Okay. Now, how do you decide on whether it's going to go higher or lower? That's obviously going to be the next question you're going to ask, and that's obviously what I would ask myself as well if I were in your shoes. Now, I do this by using a series of what we call technical indicators. All right, technical indicators are all this colorful stuff that you see on the screen here, okay? I've got the Bollinger Bands, which is the red line, the yellow line, the orange line, that's a median line. Candlesticks, the candlesticks are literally just the actual price swings as it happens from time to time. We've got a couple of other indicators here, the MACD and the RSI. But honestly, guys, I know if this is the first time you're looking at a trading platform, a trading video, it sounds foreign to you. You're wondering, is this doable, right? I mean, that's what I would think as well. But let me tell you, when I started like 8 years back, it was exactly what I had thought to myself. But as you can see, it's really not that hard, okay? You obviously do need to understand technical indicators. Now, if you're serious about this, just check out some of my older videos. I've got a whole bunch of videos where I talk about some of the indicators. Do a quick Google search. Understand why you see these indicators. What does it translate to? I'll give you a quick overview about it, but obviously you're going to have to put in the effort if you're serious about this. Uh, Now, let's see. I selected higher. Now, why did I select higher? If you have a look at this indicators that I'm seeing here, you can see that the price started dropping here, okay? And I actually selected higher at this point. Now, at this point where I made my decision, there were a couple of things that I'm looking at. Firstly, the candlesticks, obviously, the Bollinger Bands. But in this case, the Bollinger Bands is not really telling much, okay? But I'm also coupling it with the MACD. Now, the MACD is a moving average convergence divergence indicator, and the RSI, or the relative strength indicator. Now, I find that the MACD is a pretty good indicator when it comes to trend swings, okay? So at this point where this happens, you can see that the trend is literally flattening out, okay? Now, when the red line, right, you see the red line on top? The red line on top literally means it's a downtrend that's happening. And when the blue line comes on top of the MACD, then it means that an upcycle is happening. Now, in getting this right, you kind of not have to react to it, but you kind of have to try to foresee what's going to happen in the future, all right? So obviously, when I do notice that this is flattening out, I can also see that the candlesticks are downwards, but then emerging green candlesticks happening here. I can also see that the RSI is pretty flat, but it's just starting a tiny uptick there. Now, these are all of the data that I'm actually processing as I'm talking to you right now. So yes, it's a lot of things that's actually happening. So, I mean, if you're going to try this off for the first time, do try to find a quiet room and try to do it. But this is literally what I was processing in my head as I made the decision to select higher. All right, so that is the background process. Okay, so it's not easy if you think that yeah, I'm just going to join this trading platform, I'm going to make hundreds of dollars a month. That's not going to happen. But if you know what you're looking at, it certainly is doable. Like I said, it took me some time to get to this stage, but I'm now recording a video, talking to you, and analyzing all of this as it happens. Now, that is the beauty of trading, all right? Now, I literally just made $200, $216 in profit, or a 72% return of investment, ROI, on my $300. Now, that is crazy, guys. If you ask me, that kind of returns, sometimes, even it takes me back that I can literally churn money out this way. And I'm not even done for the day, all right? I was already making a couple of trades earlier. I might actually call it a day after this video because obviously it takes some time to record the video, post it on YouTube and stuff. I'm just doing this for fun. I hope you found this useful, and if you learned a little bit about trading and how you can trade binary options successfully, even if you're a complete new beginner, then do hit on the subscribe button, give the video a like if it's helpful to you, and don't forget to get started by claiming your free trading account and using the link down below. All right, take care now, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another $300 profit days. Cheers, bye.